Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're here, you're probably on a mission to achieve flawless, youthful skin. And trust me, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into something every skincare enthusiast dreams of: the top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging. Whether you're trying to smooth those fine lines, fight the effects of time, or just give your skin that radiant glow, we've got you covered. Now, I know you're here for more than just another list of products. You're looking for results. And that's exactly what we're about to uncover. We've handpicked the top contenders, each offering something unique, something that can take your skincare routine from good to great. So get ready, because the countdown starts now. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's jump in. Number 5 on our countdown of the top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging is the Olay Collagen Peptide Face Moisturizer. If you're looking for an anti-aging powerhouse that doesn't break the bank, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. What if you could visibly firm and smooth your skin without the high price tag of luxury creams? Olay's Collagen Peptide 24 Moisturizer does exactly that, giving you professional-level results at a fraction of the cost. With a 2x concentration of collagen peptide, this product is designed to penetrate deeper into the skin than other products, helping to deliver long-lasting hydration and noticeable firmness. It's fragrance-free, creamy, and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, so you can apply it in the morning and wear it under makeup or as your nighttime moisturizer. But the real magic happens when you use it consistently. From the very first use, your skin will feel instantly hydrated and smooth. But with continued use over just 2 weeks, you'll notice visibly firmer skin and a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. This moisturizer isn't just about instant results. The benefits improve over time, making it a reliable, long-term solution to combat the signs of aging. Plus, it hydrates better than some of the most expensive creams on the market, often outperforming products that cost hundreds of dollars. If you want to maximize your skincare routine, make sure to add this one to your daily regimen. Don't let the high price of other anti-aging products fool you. Olay Collagen Peptide delivers top-tier results without the sticker shock. If you liked what you learned here, be sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips and tricks. Coming in at number 4 in our top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging is the Sunday Riley A+ Highdose Anti-Aging Retinol Serum. If you've been battling the signs of aging, from wrinkles to enlarged pores, this product is the game changer you've been waiting for. What if you could tackle multiple skin concerns at once, like fine lines, congestion, and UV damage, all with one powerful product? That's exactly what this serum promises. Packed with high-dose retinol, it works deep beneath the skin's surface to smooth texture, reduce wrinkles, and tighten pores. You'll notice results quickly. No need to wait months to see the magic happen. But what makes this serum stand out is its ability to tackle UV damage and skin congestion, 2 common skin issues that can leave your complexion looking dull and uneven. With consistent use, your skin will look visibly more radiant, firm, and youthful. And the best part? This serum is suitable for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about it irritating sensitive skin. Sunday Riley's A+ Serum is infused with a honey scent, making it a pleasant addition to your routine. Its formula is designed to deeply hydrate while it works its anti-aging magic, so your skin doesn't just look better, it feels better too. If you're serious about fighting aging, congestion, and sun damage, this retinol serum should be at the top of your list. If you love what you've heard, subscribe to Beautyistic for more top-tier skincare recommendations. Ranked number 3 in our top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging, the Triple Lipid Restore Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer is a skincare powerhouse designed to bring your skin back to life. If you're dealing with uneven texture, large pores, or a lack of radiance, this might just be the solution you need. Imagine transforming your skin with just one product. The Triple Lipid Restore Cream is formulated with the perfect combination of ceramides, natural cholesterol, and fatty acids, 3 essential lipids that work together to restore your skin's natural barrier and improve its overall health. It's the ideal remedy for skin that's lost its fullness and smoothness over time. This moisturizer does more than just hydrate. It dramatically improves skin texture, the appearance of pores, and skin radiance. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing, and packed with no unnecessary fillers, just pure, skin-loving ingredients. Unlike many products that leave behind a greasy or heavy feeling, this one is paraben, dye, and fragrance-free, making it perfect for all skin types. If you're tired of moisturizers that don't deliver, the Triple Lipid Restore Cream is an investment in your skin's future. Plus, with the brand's 60-day satisfaction guarantee, you can try it risk-free. If you're ready to say goodbye to lackluster skin and embrace a smoother, more radiant complexion, this is the product for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more top-tier skincare tips and products to keep your skin glowing. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging? If so, don't let your skin miss out. Give that like button a glow up, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never skip a skincare tip. Coming in at number 2 on our top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging, the Tatcha Dewy Skin and Lips Hydrating Ritual Set is everything your skin has been craving. If you're looking for radiant, hydrated skin and luscious lips, this is the ultimate solution. Imagine starting your skincare routine with the luxurious rice wash, a gentle cleanser that nurtures your skin without stripping away moisture. Next, the Dewy Skin Cream delivers deep hydration while promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. This iconic formula is designed to lock in moisture for long-lasting smoothness and radiance, perfect for anyone dealing with dry, lackluster skin. But that's not all. This set includes the Wisteria Lip Mask, which restores lips to their full, plump potential. Packed with nourishing ingredients, it gives your lips a healthy, berry-hued gloss that's perfect for a natural, youthful look. This trio of Tatcha's bestsellers works in perfect harmony to combat the signs of aging, leaving you with a glowing complexion and soft, kissable lips. And with the full-size Dewy Skin Cream and travel-friendly rice wash, you'll be able to maintain that glow anywhere you go. Don't miss out on this luxurious skincare experience. If you're ready to elevate your anti-aging routine, this is your chance. Trust me, you'll want to subscribe to Beautyistic for more insider tips on top skincare products like this. Your skin will thank you. At number 1 on our top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging, Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum takes center stage with a game-changing formula that's built to restore, repair, and protect. If you're struggling with dullness, uneven texture, or fine lines, this serum is the answer you've been looking for. What if you could reverse the effects of aging and environmental stressors in just a few weeks? With its unique blend of 3OC technology and collagen amino acids, this weightless gel serum works overtime to stimulate collagen production and accelerate skin repair. You'll see noticeable improvements in skin texture, dark spots, and expression lines. Environmental aggressors deplete your skin's energy, leaving it looking tired and lackluster. This serum recharges your skin's battery, using a powerful combination of vitamin C and a special energy complex to rejuvenate your complexion and restore a youthful glow. It's like giving your skin a fresh start every time you apply it. Not only is this serum effective, but it's also vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, perfect for anyone who wants skincare that's as clean as it is powerful. If you're serious about combating the signs of aging, this serum should be at the top of your list. Don't wait. Your skin deserves the best. And if you're loving what you've heard so far, hit that subscribe button for more expert skincare recommendations right here on Beautyistic. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 best skincare sets for anti-aging. To keep up with all the bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.